I've been suffering for gum disease for quite some time, and as a result of that, it elevated to the place where I needed to have some significant work done and several teeth pulled as a result of the gum disease. And so by the time I took the opportunity to say, okay, I've got to go do something, because literally my teeth were going to fall out, Dr. Kazmer said, we're in a place where I'm going to have to do some pretty significant work, and that's when we had so many removed, which means I was going to need implants. I initially was going to another dentist for just regular dental care, and the first time they started being concerned about potential gum disease, they had mentioned that if this continues to get worse and we're not able to get you to a good place, we're going to have to recommend you and refer you to a periodontist. And that's when I got introduced to Dr. Kazmer. I came into the office, and even though I knew it was going to be a significant procedure, I didn't want to remember anything about that. And so Dr. Kazmer and his staff were fantastic at preparing me in advance for my options for that. And I chose the sedation option. First, of course, I had the teeth that were not going to be able to be saved. I had those taken out completely. And then that goes through a huge healing process before he can really even determine, am I going to be able to be a good candidate for implants? So that took time. So taking out all the teeth, and then coming back after the healing process had gotten to a place where he could take another assessment and say, okay, based on your teeth being pulled and your gums healing a little bit and the bone, me being able to look at the bone, he was able to say, okay, you are a good candidate for implants. Peace of mind is something that I think transcends even getting medical procedures done for you. Peace of mind is really something that we all strive for. And peace of mind allowed me to trust him and trust what he needed to do to help me get back to a place of confidence and a place of health and a place of comfort again with who I was and who I present to the world.